Welcome to my quick action series on Adobe Express, and this one is on video. In case you missed my first one on image quick actions, I'll leave a link down in the description, so check it out after you watch this one. Now I'm going to take you through 8 video quick actions, all powered by Adobe Premiere Pro. But you don't even need to use the application in order to do this. We're going to use Adobe Express on the browser. So let's jump right in and have a look. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Adobe Express in the browser, and I'm under the video section in the quick actions. Let's take a look at what we got here. We've got trim video, resize video, merge videos, convert to GIF or GIF. It is GIF actually. We also got crop video, change the speed, convert to MP4, and reverse video. I'm going to leave chapter markers down below so you can jump between which one you want to see. Let's start with trim video. So if I click on this, it's going to ask me to browse on my device. Let's click on this. Now I have one prepared earlier. This is a little shot in Surfers Paradise at Warner Brothers Movie World. I'm just going to upload it right here. Now look what we get here. We can choose the start time and the end time. It's also showing us the size, that what it is. It's actually portrait 9:16. We can change that if we wanted to. We can even mute it, but perhaps we want to just change the actual time start of it. So just when the roller coaster is about to start, there, I'm just going to grab this handle and drag it all the way back to about here. And I'm happy with that. And all I need to do now is let it go through the process of uploading the media. We don't need to click on any other additional buttons to do this. It does it all in real time. And then once that's finished, we can just come over to download, and it'll simply just download it straight to our downloads folder again. And once that's finished, we can go ahead and check our downloads folder, and there it is. Perfect. What about if we need to resize a video? Well, we can do that straight from here. If I click on resize, we go through the same process, browse on my device. Let's go ahead and grab that same one that we just trimmed. I'm going to upload that. Now you'll see here we've got different variations. At the moment it's a 9:16 because that's how I shot it. I actually shot it in portrait mode, but I can choose others here. Landscape, Instagram TV, but I can choose other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Perhaps it's for Twitter that I wanted to do it for, if I wanted to do it in a square format, for example. You can see I've just done that, and I can even drag the video to pan it inside of that aspect ratio. And you can see here it's 1200 by 1200. I could scale that video back, or perhaps I could zoom it in a bit further. And once I'm done with that, I just hit the download button. Again, it's going to process this. This also eliminates you from sending this off to a creative pro in order for them to do this. You can do this yourself utilizing this incredible platform. And again, once that's finished, we can go to our downloads folder, click on the video, and there's our square format. Moving along, what about if we need to merge videos together? This is looked at as a very difficult task, and we would often, again, move to a creative professional to do this. But let's do this with speed and ease inside of Adobe Express. If I click on merge videos, it's going to ask us what shots do we want. Let's grab these two here. I'm going to hit upload. Now we've got 2 videos in here, right? Now the first shot is of the roller coaster one, and the second shot is of my daughter running down the beach, as you can see. So by choosing 2 videos, I can easily stitch them or merge them together. Again, I can choose a different aspect ratio, but in this instance, we'll just leave it at the portrait size that it is. We'll let Adobe Express do its thing by upload the media, and once it's finished, we'll be able to download that. Again, this is doing everything in real time. I'm not having to click extra buttons, it just happens. And now all I have to do, once the download is done, hit that download button, and it'll download to my downloads folder. So once that's finished, click on my downloads folder, and here it is. You can see where the roller coaster comes into play, and there it is. There's the merge. Now let's take a look at how we can convert video to GIF. Simply click on Convert to GIF, in the Quick Actions menu, browse your device. Let's click on this one here. We'll go upload. What this will do is give you some options on the file size. Perhaps it's medium, small, or large. It tells you here that medium is ideal for social destinations such as Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. So once that's finished the upload process, you can have this converted to GIF. Again, you can actually trim this while we're here if you wanted a small GIF, for example. Let's go ahead and do that. Just want it from here, maybe a 2-second video. That's all we need these days. So if I hit download, it'll process that and convert my video into a GIF or a GIF. Don't say GIF. Don't say GIF. Right, once that's downloaded, let's go over to our downloads folder. There's the GIF. If I hit spacebar, there we go. Converted, ready to go to upload to any social platform of my choosing. What about cropping video? Forget sending it off to someone, do it yourself. Let's go ahead and click on crop video in Quick Actions, browse your device, choose a video. Let's go with my daughter on this one. Now we get to choose how we crop our video. So you can see here we've got portrait, square, we've even got freeform cropping. So I could even come in here and just go in tight on her as she's running down the beach, as you can see. And I can obviously trim it if I wanted to. I can mute it, but then I'll hit download. It'll crop to the freeform aspect ratio of my choosing and obviously download this directly for us. Very quickly, very fast, very easy. We can obviously go back and check our crop. And I didn't crop it properly because there was a zoom. Do you ever get requests to change the speed of videos, perhaps? And then you send it off to someone else, like that professional video editor? Don't do that. Do it yourself in Adobe Express. Click on Change Speed in Quick Actions under Video, browse your device. Let's go to the roller coaster one. I'm gonna hit Upload. Now while we're here, we can actually choose a few settings. First of all, I'm gonna trim it to about here, and then I'm going to drag it across. So you can see here, not only am I changing the speed, but I can also implement other tools in here, such as trim the video. Now we can go super slow, slow, normal, super fast or fast. Let's go slow. I'm just going to let Adobe Express do its thing. You'll notice the time changed to 4 seconds as opposed to 2, so it's obviously halved it now. So if I hit download, we're going to get slow motion at half the speed that it was. And once it's finished, it'll download it again to your downloads folder. Let's go and take a look at the result. If I click on this, there we go, half the speed. What about if you get a different file format and you need to change that? Well, don't upload it to some website somewhere. Just come to the video Quick Actions in here. Click on Convert to MP4, browse your device. You'll see I got a .mov. Let's click on that. We'll go upload. Now automatically it's doing it. It's doing it in seconds. We can mute it if we want to, but already in the background it's converting that .mov to a .mp4. Again, you don't need to go to someone else to do this. Do it yourself. Hit that download button. And if we go check it out, there we go. Same video, just in a different file format in order for you to use where you need to. The last thing I want to show you is reversing video. This used to be quite a manual process inside of particular applications, but now it's the click of a button in Adobe Express. Right, let's take this shot of my daughter. Click upload. It's a 4-second clip. It's going to upload that video. There we have it. Now we can mute this if we wanted to. We could even change the speed duration. But if we're happy with just the way that it is, we can just hit download. And then once that's done, we'll go to our downloads folder. And there we go. Reverse. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you missed out on the quick actions for images, I'll leave a link in the description. But more importantly, I'd love to hear how much time this saved you. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you like what you see here, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. And remember, never stop creating.